Today, we are sticking with the classics, chocolate and vanilla.
This rich, creamy vanilla cheesecake dotted with chocolate chips also has a crunchy chocolate cookie crust, and it's balanced by sweet bright berries on top. It's a fabulous way to finish a meal, if I do say so myself. Start from the bottom up. The chocolate cookies and a little sugar are ground into crumbs, and then brought together with melted butter, just until it will hold together when pressed against the side of the dish. I spray a little canola oil on the springform pan to give the parchment paper something to grab onto. Then pour those beautiful buttery chocolate crumbs into the pan and press them along the bottom and as far up the sides as they'll go. Cream cheese, lots of cream cheese, sour cream, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and heavy cream. All get blended together. Use a food processor, blender, or even a hand mixer. Stir in the mini chocolate chips by hand and then pour that silky smooth filling into the crust. Set up a water bath and protect the cheesecake by wrapping the bottom and sides with a wide sheet of aluminum foil. Then place it in a larger baking pan. I used a disposable aluminum roasting pan and a pinch hair. Whatever works, right? Now pull the foil up around the sides to help create a tent. Another sheet of foil will loosely cover the top, and this keeps the top of the cake from browning while allowing air to flow through, preventing condensation from dripping on the top of the cheesecake. Finally, fill the outer pan to make the water bath, and then allow the cheesecake to slowly bake for 2.5 to 3 hours. Yes, it is a slow bake, but it's absolutely worth it. And then, of course, it has to chill in the fridge overnight. But yep, it is still worth the wait. So once it's chilled, transfer that gorgeous cake to a serving platter and pile on the fresh berries. I don't mess with fancy garnishing. Temptation took over here and I just sliced it up and dove in.
And if you want to mix things up, you can always trade out the berries on top for a warm cherry pie filling.
You can find the recipe for this chocolate chip cheesecake at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.